What's that, Olivia?
It's a year's pay.
Years of hard work.
Every day it's traffic at friggin' 3 o'clock to 7. You didn't know it back in the day. You just friggin' ran into it. It was it. You had no clue how long it was gonna be.
Oh my god.
All right.
There it is.
Go by the service center yet?
We just passed it.
Matt's here. Olivia's here. Eduardo's here.
Let's spend money.
You know, you could have dressed up a bit nicer, Dad.
I could have dressed up nice, but I've been working out all day.
Your best phone numbers and email.
Yes, it is. Easy fuel.
It's high definition, Lou.
The gas let me in.
Man, life for you.
What do you think about this puppy? Gonna get a third seat for me? Driving down the road in this big bad boy. I'm going to see all Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Sheena!
Yeah.
We're gonna sound the other thing off.
Over back. I'll follow you guys. Let's do it.
Be careful, be careful.
We're in a van!
It's all empty now. It's gonna be viewed out. Driver Matt. What's our man's name?
Sugar cube.
Sugar Cube.
We got a van.
I'm going to pick up Charlie's Angels tonight. Look at the freaking thing.
It's beautiful.
Tall as the first floor of a house.
We're not
Yeah,
having
you and Olivia sailing over the foggy cliff on the west coast. Ah, and then you land on a bunch of seals.
Yeah. Well, we really hate baby seals anyway.